Stop. Before you plant another flower or pull another weed, I need you to look at your hands. Now, look at your backyard. It looks like a peaceful sanctuary, right? Wrong. For some of you, it's actually a ticking time bomb. Most people think dangerous plants only live in the middle of the Amazon rainforest. But what if I told you that the gorgeous shrub under your window or that pretty weed your toddler just picked is actually a biological weapon? We're talking about plants that can stop a heart in minutes, cause permanent blindness, or leave you with skin burns that feel like literal fire. And the worst part? Your local nursery sells them every single day.
Today, we're exposing the 15 most dangerous plants you should never let near your home.
Number 1 is so common, you've probably walked past it today without realizing it could kill you. The silent heartstopper, oleander. Oleander is the femme fatale of the garden. It's undeniably stunning with its pink blossoms and sweet fragrance, making it a favorite for hedges and privacy screens. But don't let the beauty fool you. This plant is pure poison from the roots to the nectar. It contains cardiac glycosides that act like a master switch for your heart. If ingested, it tells your heart to simply stop beating. Why it's a backyard nightmare? It's not just about accidentally eating a leaf. If you decide to trim your hedge and burn the branches, the smoke itself is toxic. Inhaling it can land you in the ICU with severe respiratory distress. If you have dogs that like to chew sticks or kids playing chef with garden leaves, this plant is a hard pass. Number 2, the cold-blooded assassin, castor bean. This plant looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Huge, tropical-looking purple leaves and weird, spiky red seed pods. It's a designer's dream for an exotic look. However, inside those seeds lies ricin, one of the deadliest toxins known to man. It's so potent that just 2 seeds can kill a human, and there is no known antidote. Why it's a backyard nightmare? The seeds look like harmless beans or even little marbles to a child. If a curious kid or a hungry pet crunches down on one, the ricin is released, causing internal bleeding and organ failure. It's a one mistake and it's over type of plant that has no business being near a family home. 3. The fairy tale trap, foxglove. We've all seen these in Pinterest-perfect cottage gardens. They grow tall, majestic spikes of bell-shaped flowers that look like they belong in a Disney movie. In medicine, we use a refined version of this plant, digitalis, to treat heart failure. But in your garden, it's an unregulated, lethal dose of heart-stopping chemicals waiting to happen. Why it's a backyard nightmare? Every part of the foxglove is toxic, but the flowers are especially tempting because they look like little thimbles or hats. If a child plays with them and then puts their hands in their mouth, it can cause a massive drop in heart rate and dangerous arrhythmias. It's beautiful, yes, but it's a high-stakes gamble for a backyard. The skin melter, giant hogweed. This isn't just a plant, it's a hazard zone. Giant hogweed looks like a massive, oversized version of Queen Anne's lace, reaching up to 14 feet tall. It looks impressive and architectural, but it carries a sap that is straight out of a horror movie. It causes a reaction called phytophotodermatitis, which is a fancy way of saying it makes your skin lose its ability to protect itself from the sun. Why it's a backyard nightmare? If you brush against a broken stem and get sap on your skin, then step into the sunlight, you will develop massive, weeping blisters that look like third-degree burns. These scars can last for years, and if the sap touches your eyes, it can cause permanent blindness. This isn't just a don't eat it plant, it's a don't even stand near it plant. Number 5, the knight in poison armor. Monkshood, wolfsbane. Monkshood features gorgeous, deep blue or purple flowers shaped like a medieval monk's cowl. Historically, it was used to poison wolves and even enemies in war. It contains aconitine, a potent neurotoxin that attacks the heart and the nervous system almost instantly upon contact or ingestion. Why it's a backyard nightmare? You don't even have to eat monkshood for it to hurt you. The toxins are so powerful, they can be absorbed directly through your skin. If you're weeding without gloves and handle this plant, you might start feeling numbness or tingling in your hands, which can lead to nausea and heart palpitations. It's a professional grade poison that shouldn't be in a casual gardener's yard. Number 6, the wedding bell's curse, lily of the valley. This is a classic grandma's garden favorite. It's a delicate ground cover with tiny white bells that smell incredible. It's often used in royal wedding bouquets. But beneath that innocent exterior is a cocktail of over 30 different cardiac glycosides. It's basically a smaller, more hidden version of oleander. Why it's a backyard nightmare? Because it's a ground cover, it spreads quickly and produces bright red berries that look exactly like candy to a toddler. Even drinking the water from a vase that held these flowers can cause vomiting, blurred vision, and a dangerously slow pulse. It's a hidden danger that stays low to the ground, right where pets and kids play. 7. The hallucinogenic nightmare, angel's trumpet. This plant is breathtaking. It grows large, hanging, trumpet-shaped flowers that glow in the twilight. But it belongs to the nightshade family and is packed with scopolamine and atropine. It's often called the zombie drug plant because of the terrifying, violent hallucinations it induces before causing paralysis and death. Why it's a backyard nightmare? Beyond being fatal if eaten, the scent can be so strong it causes headaches, and the sap can cause your pupils to dilate for days if it touches your eyes. It attracts people because it looks heavenly, but the medical bills and potential for accidental poisoning make it a hellish addition to any yard. 8. The suicide plant, Gimpy gimpy. Mainly found in the rainforests of Australia, but occasionally shows up in rare plant collections. It looks like a boring, fuzzy-leaved shrub, but those fuzzies are actually tiny silica needles, like fiberglass, loaded with a neurotoxin. The pain is so intense, it has been known to drive people and animals to madness. Why it's a backyard nightmare? If you touch this, the needles stay in your skin for months, delivering stings every time the area is touched or exposed to temperature changes. There is no easy way to get the needles out. It's the most painful plant on Earth, and having it in a residential area is asking for a disaster. 9. The sweet deception, deadly nightshade, belladonna. This is the classic poison of history. It produces shiny, jet black berries that look sweet and juicy. And surprisingly, they actually do taste sweet, unlike many other poisonous plants that taste bitter as a warning. That sweetness is exactly why it's so dangerous. You don't realize you're being poisoned until it's too late. Why it's a backyard nightmare? Just 2 to 5 berries can kill a child. It causes the symptoms of the madman: dilated pupils, racing heart, hallucinations, and aggressive behavior. Since it often grows as a weed, it can pop up in your garden uninvited. If you see those black berries, get your gloves on and rip it out immediately. 10. The milk killer, white snakeroot. This plant looks like a common, harmless wildflower with fluffy white tops. It's famous for being the plant that killed Abraham Lincoln's mother. It contains a toxin called trematol, which doesn't just kill the one who eats it, it travels through the food chain. Why it's a backyard nightmare? If you have backyard livestock like goats or cows and they graze on this, the poison enters their milk. Humans who drink that milk develop milk sickness, which causes violent vomiting and death. Even if you don't have a cow, it's a highly invasive weed that can choke out your safe plants and poison local wildlife. 11. The violent convulsor, water hemlock. This is often cited as the most violently toxic plant in the northern hemisphere. It looks almost identical to wild carrots or parsnips. However, it contains cycatoxin, which triggers massive, violent seizures that are incredibly difficult for doctors to stop. Why it's a backyard nightmare? It loves wet areas. So if you have a pond or a damp corner in your yard, it might move in. People often mistake the roots for wild parsnips and eat them. Just one bite is enough to cause a grand mal seizure and death. It's a brutal, fast-acting killer that looks like food. 12. The muscle paralyzers, Larkspur delphinium. Larkspur is a staple in high-end floral arrangements because of its stunning blue and purple towers, but don't let the elegance fool you. Young plants and seeds are loaded with alkaloids that cause neuromuscular blockade. Basically, it flips the off switch on your muscles. Why it's a backyard nightmare? It's especially dangerous to cattle and pets. If a dog decides to snack on the tall stalks, it can lead to paralysis of the lungs. Since it's a common ornamental plant, many people don't realize they are planting a paralyzing agent right next to their patio. 13. The mad honey plant, mountain laurel. This is a gorgeous evergreen shrub with unique origami-looking flowers. It's a popular landscaping choice for its year-round green leaves. But it contains grainotoxin, which is so powerful that even the honey bees make from its flowers can be poisonous to humans. Why it's a backyard nightmare? It's very toxic to horses, goats, and dogs. If you live in an area with livestock or active pets, the mountain laurel twitch is a real thing. Animals will lose coordination and collapse. Plus, if you're a backyard beekeeper, this plant can literally poison your honey harvest. 14. The pet owner's enemy, azaleas and rhododendrons. These are in almost every suburban yard in America and Europe. They are famous for their massive spring blooms, but like their cousin, the mountain laurel, they are packed with toxins that interfere with the heart and nervous system. Why it's a backyard nightmare? These are the #1 culprits for pet poisonings. Because they are so common, owners don't realize that a dog chewing on a fallen branch can suffer from projectile vomiting, coma, and heart failure. They are high-maintenance plants that come with a high risk for your furry friends. 15. The world's most dangerous tree, manchineal. Finally, we have the little apple of death. This tree is so dangerous that in many places it's marked with red paint or warning signs. It looks like a standard apple tree, but every single part of it, from the sap to the fruit, is a lethal hazard. Why it's a backyard nightmare? You don't even have to touch it to get hurt. If it rains and you stand under the tree, the water dripping off the leaves will carry sap that causes your skin to blister instantly. Eating the apple causes your throat to swell shut. While it only grows in tropical zones, like Florida or the Caribbean, it is the ultimate reminder that nature doesn't want you in its garden. So, did you recognize any of these villains in your own yard? Nature is beautiful, but it's also got a mean streak. Before you buy that pretty flower at the store, do a 30-second Google search. It might just save your life. If this video opened your eyes, give me a like. And let me know in the comments, which of these plants did you have no idea was dangerous? Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the secret life of nature. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.